So this is a really important video for a lot of people who use Google accounts and are struggling to keep up with the limited 15 GB free storage in their accounts. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can manage your free storage and clean it up as much as possible so that you can fit in more photos, more files in your free storage only. So let's get started. Now, the first and the most important thing for a lot of people is photos. They keep their photos synced with Google Photos cloud storage. And initially, when Google launched the Google Photos, they told everyone that it is completely free to use and there is unlimited storage. But after a point of time, they said that no, we are not going to give you unlimited storage. You will have to do with the 15 GB overall storage that you get in your Google account, which includes the Google Drive files, Google Photos, and the attachments in your Gmail. Now, assuming that your Google account looks something like this, if you open Google Photos on your computer or on your mobile phone, you will find this that you are almost filling your entire 15 GB free storage, and you can unlock more storage. They will provide you some discount, but it's actually a paid plan that Google is offering, and you will have to pay Google every month, which is not really cool because there are already a lot of subscription in our lives, Netflix subscription, Google Prime subscription, and whatnot. So I would recommend you to do all these things first and see if you can minimize the space you are utilizing. So first thing is, we will look for all the attachments in your Gmail that are larger than 5 MB and that are taking the most space. So first thing you can do is you can go to Google account and then find the attachments that are in your Gmail account and they are old. You no longer need them. Maybe if you need them, you can download them and you can keep them safe. Maybe use a Dropbox, another cloud storage service, which is amazing, which also gives you 5 GB of storage. So you can download all the attachment files that are important to you and you can keep them in Dropbox. The way to find is look for the search bar and then click on Has Attachment. And then you can click on this filter where you can select the date range, keep it to 1 year, search for all mails, and then size for the attachment file is 5 MB, and then I will search for it. Now it says that I have one email that has an attachment of more than 5 MB. So it's pretty minimal because I've already done that. I've already deleted some emails that had larger attachments. So I've already done it. So it's not showing a lot of files, but maybe in your case, it will show up a lot of files and you can decide whether to keep them or not. I would recommend that you delete those emails and download them and upload them to another cloud storage. This way you will save a lot of space in your Gmail account. Another thing, if your Gmail account is filled up with a lot of unnecessary emails, you start removing them. For example, if you have got a newsletter from Paytm, you can click there and then you can click on more and you can click on filter messages like these. What it will do is it will find all these emails that you get from Paytm offers, all the similar emails, and then you can delete them from your Gmail account. There are a lot of them. And finally, when you are done, just keep one email safe so that you can unsubscribe from that email. There is an unsubscribe button in every newsletter. You will have to find it. For a lot of newsletters, you will find the unsubscribe button on the top itself. But if it is not there, you can look for the unsubscribe button at the bottom of the email. And when you click on unsubscribe, chances are you will no longer receive emails from this particular domain. So you can do this multiple times. If there are a lot of emails, you can do it in batches, but this will save you a lot of headache and also save space in your Gmail account. So once you're done cleaning up your Gmail account, move to Google Photos. Now you can do this on your mobile phone as well, but to keep it simple, I'm showing you how you can do it on your computer. You open Google Photos on your computer and then you can click on this settings option. Now it's saying that the photos are getting uploaded on Google Photos in original quality. You don't want that because a photo clicked on your mobile phone is around 4 MB, 5 MB in size. And if you have 100 photos, it is easily 500 MB. You have 200 photos, it is easily 1 GB of storage that is occupied on your Gmail account or on your Google account. So I would suggest you select the storage saver, which reduces the file size of the photos, but it keeps the quality at least pretty good for viewing on mobile phone, even on larger screens. If you are viewing it on your mobile phone or on your computer, you will not notice any difference in the quality, any downgrade in the quality, unless you have to print large posters. If you have to print large posters of your photos, then I would suggest you keep the original quality or maybe download the selected photos. If you want to print them in large sizes, maybe select those photos and then keep them downloaded and keep them offline so that you get the maximum quality. But for other photos you want to access on your computer or on your mobile phones, you can use the storage saver. It will reduce those files for up to 300-400%. So if there is a photo of 5 MB, it will be optimized, and the optimized file size would be less than 2 MB, which is pretty great. After that, you can view all these options where you will find that there are some videos that are unsupported, that are not played on Google Photos. So there's no point of saving them in Google Photos if they are not playable. They cannot be press processed. So you can view them and you can delete those photos, or you can download them and then upload them in other cloud storage service such as the Dropbox that I told you. By the way, you will find a link to the resources of free cloud storage services. I have curated a list and the link is in the description of this video. Moving on, next in Google Photos, if you want to delete a particular person's photo in your Google Photos, then this is the time. You will get rid of that person from your life and from your Google Photos as well. It is easy. When you click on Explore, you will find the option of the people faces. Google Photos is pretty great at recognizing people's faces and will give you the option of selecting or viewing all the photos of that particular person. So you can use this feature to delete that particular person. For example, there's me and there's all the photos of me here in Google Photos. So I can delete them from here. This is just an example. I don't want to delete myself, but you have this option if you want to use it. This will make some space in your Google Photos. Now, another important step is you can click on the manage storage option, and here don't go for the paid plans. It says that get 100 GB plus storage. Don't go for that because it's a subscription plan. Below that, you will find the option to review all the files. So there are large photos and videos of 4.3 GB that are occupying in Google Photos. And there are other apps that are occupying 287 MB of space. There are screenshots, which are not important really after a period of time. So you can remove them from your Google account. There are blurry photos that are not useful. And after that, there is an option of converting your existing photos and videos to storage saver. This means is if on this page, if it was original quality and you had already used 14 GB, 15 GB of storage on your Google Photos, what this option will do is it will convert all those original files that are already uploaded on your Google Photos account. It will convert them into storage saver, and this alone will save at least 50% of storage in your Google Photos. For example, if it is 12 GB, it will become 6 GB. So you will immediately get 6 GB of storage, and if you select the storage saver option, you will be able to upload more files. Now to do that, you can click on learn more, and after that click this checkbox. I understand that compressing my existing photos and videos cannot be undone. This cannot be undone, which is okay because you are trying to save storage on your Google account. So you can click on compress existing photos and videos, and it will do that for you. It will take several hours depending on how much storage is being used, how many files there are. And if there are a lot of original files, original photos and videos, it will take a couple of hours for that to be compressed. So be patient for it. Now the last step is pretty unethical, so I will leave it up to you whether you want to do it or not. But here is a straightforward way. If there are important emails in your Gmail account, you can forward them to another Gmail account. So there is no limitation of creating Gmail accounts. You can create another Google account for free. You will get additional 15 GB of storage. So you can create a backup email similar to your current email. You can add a prefix or suffix, completely your call, but you will have an additional email where you can forward all your emails or your important emails that you want to keep, and you can then delete those emails from your primary Gmail account. So this becomes your primary, and the other Gmail account that you create will become your secondary Google account. So that's it. If these do not work for you, move to another cheaper alternative, or maybe create your own local cloud storage that will be in your home, but you will be able to access all your photos and files from anywhere in the world. I have created a tutorial about that also, the link to which you will find in the description of this video. That's it. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.